So who doesn't want to make money online? Everyone does. Now, everyone is an interpreter and everyone wants to have business. That is really great. I'm sure you have few of the product ideas, but it is nothing without the good marketing strategy. Right now, we are witnessing the split between the traditional marketing approach and a new marketing approach, which is conversational marketing. I have a video which explains really well what conversational marketing is, what benefits you can have. If you'd like to get into the details, just follow the link in the description and check the theory, then go back to practice, because this video is very much practical. It is about how to implement conversational marketing on your website. Well, briefly, conversational marketing is about personalized communication. So you start talking to your audience the same way as if you were sitting face to face in the offline shop, for example, or the same way you would pitch your product to the person in front of you. Well, conversational marketing is all about the personalized communication. You know the people you're talking to, you know their preferences, you know everything about them, and you actually understand what they're doing on your website and what products they choose, what articles they read, what they put in, what they add in the cart, and so on. So the conversational marketing is generally about 3 tools which I personally love a lot, and I'm going to tell you how you can use these tools on your website. By the way, after this video, you can implement these tools straight away, set them up during 30 minutes, and start getting some fruitful numbers. So number 1 is a chatbot. That is a really great tool which helps you save time and effort while talking to your prospects. So you're not going to have live conversation. A chatbot is going to have a live conversation with your customers. All you need to do is to configure the flow of the communication and also choose the place where your potential customers are going to speak with your chatbot. So for example, the chatbot can be different on different pages of your website. If that's the main page, that's where people would like to get acquainted with you. So you're going to get acquainted with them as well, and you're going to qualify the people. Well, are they actually your prospects or not? Then, if people are going to check different categories on your website, check some features pages, check the products, or get to know what your company is about, like reading about us section, then the chatbot can offer a bit different communication, but still that is the communication with your prospects. A chatbot actually imitates, if set properly, the communication with a real person. So you just configure the chatbot and then it does all your job. Next tool, which is in my opinion, a bit underrated, but if used wisely, that is really fruitful. I'm speaking about pop-up windows. Well, some people do not like pop-up windows, but I'm sure people who don't like pop-up windows don't know really nice pop-up windows which generate a lot of leads and generate sales. Well, top 3 pop-up windows that generate sales is definitely offering some promos or some special offers. Also, some pop-up windows that get to know your audience, so the qualification pop-up windows, and you're going later communicate with your prospects using email strategy, and also the pop-up window with the last minute offer, like people are about to leave your website and you offer something. Just make sure they are not annoying, they are really nice, and they have some tempting offer inside. Well, number 3 is email strategy. Here, tracking is really important. When I say tracking, I mean the special system, the special service that's going to track what people are doing on your website. So later, you're going to use this data. Data is really important nowadays, and you should collect as much data as possible. Collect everything, even if you don't know how to use it right now. So I'm sure later you're going to use it somehow. So once you start collecting information about people on your website, you're going to see the funnel of your website, and you're also going to see what people are interested in, and later you help them purchase or subscribe to what they are really interested in. Like people who've been checking 20 pages of different t-shirts are definitely interested into getting a new t-shirt. So what you can do is shoot an email with a special offer for a special t-shirt, and you're going to hit the target, which is really important in the communication. So people now have tons of different emails in their email box, and they're going to open only those that are designed specially for them, that are personalized actually. So track what people are doing on your website and use it for the email marketing as well. So to sum it up, you can set up the chatbot, you can set up the pop-up window, and you can also create few of the emails, and all these tools build conversational marketing, and conversational marketing can be easily used for making your funnel as short as possible and getting the sales cycle and generating the revenue. So once you start talking with your audience, you start paying attention to people, you start treating them as people, and they feel welcomed. They understand that you care, and they are likely to buy from you, so they're likely to invest in your business. So conversational marketing is a thing, and you can implement conversational marketing straight away. For example, use Dashly for this. The sign-up link is below. As far as I remember, you can spend around 10 minutes configuring everything and start checking the numbers straight away. So 7 days for free, and 7 days is actually enough for getting the first results and then taking the decision to experiment even more. So that is it. I'm waiting for your results with the conversational marketing. I'm wishing you good luck. And if you still have some of the questions about the conversational marketing, I would be happy to record 1 more, 2 more, 3 more videos about it. Just leave your comment. By the way, our team has collected 55 different scenarios for SaaS, e-commerce, ed tech, and some other types of businesses. So the conversational marketing examples, 55 scenarios. Get them totally for free. Just follow the link in the description and grab your free copy. You can implement the scenarios straight away, or at least you can fuel your imagination with the scenarios and create your personal ones. See you in the next videos.